Hey, how's it going, guys? So I thought I'd make a video on this on the V6 motor. I actually have an issue where when I put the car in park, it'll actually the idle will kind of be, it'll shudder and be rough for like, I don't know, a few seconds. Not really that big of a deal, but something that concerned me or just I wanted to address. And then I also noticed that my fuel economy was kind of lower than maybe average. It was like 19 miles per gallon. So I was on forums. Well, actually, it's not forums anymore. It's Facebook groups. I'm just old. Sorry, I got cut off there. Somebody was coming here to buy my picnic table. So yeah, basically people were talking about how if they had bad fuel economy or worse, and the car would shudder a little bit or hesitate after you put in park. A few people were talking about the purge valve, which is right here. I believe it has to do with the evap system. I'm just talking, but I believe that's what it is. So I bought a new one only because it's so cheap. People are like, yeah, they fail quite often. Doesn't hurt to change it. And I'm not a person that really just throws parts at things, but here we go. I'm gonna throw this at this motor. It was like 24 bucks, OEM part. So basically, there's a valve, there's your power that goes into there, and then I'm not really sure how this works, but there is a valve that works in there, and it could be old, stuck, gummed out, corroded, and I'm usually a person that cleans things and fixes things because I had an Audi before and parts are so expensive. But this part is so cheap that I just figured, well, I could just not go out to lunch tomorrow or dinner one night and I can just buy this part. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna get some tools, take these two bolts off, power connector, I'm not sure, gas hose or pressure hose. I'm not sure what this exactly is. Something with the evap system, but anyway, I'm gonna get working on that. Alright, so that's looking pretty clean. Let's see that here. Yeah, that ain't too bad. The next part is this little guy. How do you come off? And in typical me fashion, I break a clip. It goes on there and it pinches around this tube. I try to be delicate with it, but it just wasn't good enough. It's a broken clip. It's always fun and nice. Pretty much clips right around here, right there. So let's pull this hose off. At least, oh, okay. Alright. There. Alright, let's pull, here, I don't want to have that like that. Let's pull this piece out now. A little wiggly wiggle. There we go. Okay, here's the old one. Looking okay, I guess. Yeah, they look the same. OEM parts. It's a little dirty. Okay, so I'm gonna put the new one in, and then slide that tube right over it, and then I guess I'll order a clip, put that in afterwards. But I think it's the canister, charcoal canister maybe for emissions. But anyway, all right, let me get the new one in. All right, I literally just took the tiniest bit of oil and put on the O-ring. So now I'm gonna install this thing where it's supposed to be. It's trying to get, not to get any dirt in there with the install. Alright, I'm gonna push it in. Come on, there we go. Nice fit. I'll tack these screws on first before I mess with everything else. Have a little security in here. Let's get these bolts on.
And then this
got these two torqued. Did a hand torque because I have a low torque wrench, like a low foot-pound torque wrench, but my friend borrowed it and he broke it. Whatever. Alright, so this, I'm gonna have to get the new clip there, but it should be fine to have it on here for now. It doesn't look like it's actually like that airtight, or I don't know. Oh, yeah, I guess. I really don't feel like it. Going in. We're on. It feels like it's on. Plug this in. It's plugged in. Alright, I guess it's pretty much done. That feels snug. Is that really gonna back off? Probably not. We'll see. Alright, so that's how I changed the purge valve on a 2012 V6 Mustang. Thanks for watching.